Oh, bear. Bear me. Oh, hell. I don't know what to say or do. Bear me. Bear me. Hey, I want y'all to see something. If you made it through that, I want you to see something. Now think about it. You're posting this shit. Anyway, I don't care. I don't even give a fuck. I don't care. Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. I bet every bit. Nope. Hey, don't be a ticket. Spitting in the trash can. Don't be a ticket. Like the video. Subscribe for random gonzoisms through the day. There's my dog. Yeah, anyway. I love you all. I love you all. I don't care if you're a commie. I don't care if you're a fucking nationalist or a fucking... I don't care. I love y'all. When you come to try to take my freedom, though, be ready for a fight. Be ready for a fight. Because I ain't going out like that. And neither is anybody I know. So, when you see people talking about, oh, they're coming for your rights, they're coming for your guns, they're coming for... No, they're not. They're not that fucking stupid. Think for yourself. Think for yourself. Don't let these fucking Bond politicians make up your mind for you. Think for yourself. One love. Guys,